change the color of this picture frame I picked up at the dollar store, and I'm going to use this Metal Effects patina from Modern Masters. And it comes with 3 bottles. So you have a primer, you have the copper, and then a spray that changes it to the kind of green patina. So I'm going to start with the primer, and I've already prepared the surface. I just sanded down the surface because it was shiny, so I sanded it down and I wiped off any of the dust that collected on the surface. So it's ready to paint, and I am just going to use this primer and apply it with a foam brush. Now it says that I'm going to need 2 coats of this, so I'm just going to start with the first coat here and set it aside to dry, and then come back and coat it again. And then we're going to do the same thing with the copper, although the process is a little bit different. On the second application, while it's wet, we're going to spray it with the patina. So I don't know, because this was a shiny surface, I may need to give it, you know, more than 2 coats to get it to cover, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I think that's covered, and I just need to set it aside now to dry. So where we're at right now is we have 2 coats of primer on our frame and 1 coat of copper. I'm getting ready to put the second coat of copper on the frame. While it's still wet, we're going to spray it with the patina effect, which will cause it to change from like the brown or coppery surface to this kind of aged look. And I will show this to you once it's done. But this you need to use with caution. And it has a few warnings on it. Don't get it on your skin, don't get it in your eyes, don't drink it, don't breathe in the vapors and so forth. So I'm going to do this part off screen in a spray box. So I'll just show you the last step of applying the last layer of copper onto the frame. And I've put it on all exposed surfaces. I'm not sure that we'll be spraying all these surfaces, but just to kind of coordinate everything. I've put it on this back part as well as the sides. So here is the finished frame after the chemical reaction and the dry time. You can definitely feel the kind of chalky finish to it, where before it was, the copper was, you know, like a glossy painted finish. So this does have a slight chalky feel to it, and it looks aged and weathered. And after you spray it on, you're just supposed to let it sit for a good half hour or so, and the chemical reaction does its thing. So there you go.